Good morning, students. Today we will do some questions based on the properties of determinants. Yesterday you have done 6 properties. So today there are some questions. First question is you have to prove this determinant is 0 but without expanding. Means you have to apply the properties. So take left hand side. Now first step is check whether by applying any operation two rows or two columns are identical, because it is 0 na, and 0 property was when all the elements are zeros or when any two rows or two columns are identical. So if see in this question, if I add C2 in C1, means C1 operates C1 plus C2, then it will become x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Your first column will become this, second and third will remain as it is. Now C1 and C3 are identical, it means your left hand side is 0, which is equal to RHS. Now second question is again same, you have to prove this determinant is 0. Again you have to make two rows or two columns identical, because you have to prove right side 0. So you can add C3 in C2. So you will apply C2 operate C2 plus C3. After applying this operation, your C2 will become AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA, and same here. Now AB plus BC plus CA you may take out common. So when you will take out common AB plus BC plus CA, it will become C2 will become this 1 1 1. Now two columns are identical, so it means your value of this determinant is 0. Next is, this is very important question, you have to prove this determinant is equal to this. So take the left hand side. Now right hand side is not 0. So your next step is to see whether it is 1 1 1. It is already given 1 1 1. If not, it is not given, then make it 1 1 1. Now after it is given 1 1 1, you have to make two ones 0, right? These two ones 0. So which operation will you apply? R2 operates R2 minus R1. It will become 0 with the help of this one. So you will apply R2 operates R2 minus R1 and R3 operates R3 minus R1. So when you will subtract this from this, your first row will remain as it is, but second will become 0, b minus a, b square minus a square. Similarly here. Now next step, b square minus a square, you know it is b minus a, b plus a, and here also c minus a, c plus a. Now see in R2 b minus a you may take out. Similarly from R3 you may take c minus a out. So taking out b minus a and c minus a, your determinant will left this, right? Now you can expand it along the first column. So expanding it along the first column, 1 will remain as it is, right? Then this minus this, so it will be c plus a minus b plus a, c minus b. So what result is coming out? B minus a, c minus a, c minus b. Now take out negative from here and from here. So negative will become positive. It will be a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a, which is equal to right side. Clear? Now fourth question is, again this is very important question, you have to prove it is equal to 4a square b square c square. So firstly we will check whether you make any row or column 1 1 1, but here there is no chance, see, right? So what will you do? Check in first row a is common, in second row b is common, in third row c is common. So taking out a, b, c from R1, R2, R3, means take out a, b, c from R1, R2, R3, what is left inside this? Now again you may take out a from C1 and b from C2 and c from C3. So taking out a, b, c common from c1, c2, c3, you are left with this, and a, when it will be multiplied with this a, outside it will be a square, b square, c square. Now make any two 1 zeros. So what is left? This is left now. So now you will apply c1 operates c1 plus c2. c1 operates c1 plus c2, so it will become this. Now you may expand it along the first column, or you may make the first row again this 0. So which operation will you apply? c2 operates c2 minus c3, right? So it will become 0 0 1. Now you may expand it along r1. Then what will you get? Expanding it along r1, 0 plus 4. So it will be 4a square b square. Or here also you may expand it along first column. Even then you will get 2 outside, so it will be 1 plus 1 2. So again it will be what? 2 4a square b square c square. Clear? So these are some questions based on exercise 4.2. Thank you.